I'm Susan. Today I am making a taco bake. It's a new recipe and it sounds really good and it seems really easy. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. Now part of my hamburger meat is a ground round and the other part is just your regular 73% ground beef. It's probably a little bit more than 1.5 pounds, but I needed to cook it all up, so I'm going with it. It calls for 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. All I have is the 10 ounce. So since I got extra meat, I'm gonna go with both cans. You'll need 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 package of taco mix, and I make my own, 8 to 12 ounces of Colby-Jack cheese and shredded, and it said more if you like a lot of cheese, and we love cheese, so I've got extra. And you'll need a bag of corn tortilla chips. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and in a skillet over medium heat I'm going to brown the ground beef. And I always add onion and garlic and salt and pepper to mine. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like the extra flavor, and I just usually do that every time I brown my meat. And once it gets brown, you want to drain it. Now as you cook your meat, you want to make sure you break it up really well and fine. And as I'm cooking my meat, I'm going to go ahead and spray my 9x13 baking dish. Once your meat's brown, you want to drain it. And after you drain it, you want to put it back into your skillet. Now to your drained meat, you want to add your diced tomatoes with the green chilies, water, sour cream, and the taco seasoning. And you want to let that simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now on the bottom of your greased 9x13 inch baking dish, you want to place a layer of your tortilla chips on the bottom. And then you want to cover that with your meat. Just as much meat as you want. You want to do this into layers. And over the meat, you want to sprinkle your cheese. And just repeat this process until the last layer is cheese. I did have some meat left over, and I'll use that in another dish, I'm sure. And you want to bake this for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly. And here it is. This was so good. My family loved it. It was a hit, and I was asked to make it again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Once again, I can't stress how good this is. And you can top it with whatever you want. I put sour cream on mine. If I had cilantro, I would have added that too. But you could add green onions, tomatoes, black olives, whatever you would like to add on top of this. So y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.